And today I'll be looking at the Mammatus 4-seater plane. Now in terms of looks, it's not too bad. The only downside is there's like the exhaust a little bit like legs, right there. And the wings on the roof, which kind of makes no sense. In terms of flying conditions, it's not that bad. As I said, it's a 4-seater. So if you ever want to get 4 people around someplace quite fast, and you don't want to waste your money, or not waste your money, but you only have like 300k, I would advise you to get this plane because it's only 300k and it can hold 4 people. You could get if the Cuban 800 was 4-seaters, I would maybe suggest that. But right now, just get the Mammatus. The flying stats on it are really good as well. And if I do an inverted, the inverted flying is probably better than the stunt plane. This isn't actually a stunt vehicle, obviously, because you can't do barrel rolls that much. You can do barrel rolls, it's really good doing barrel rolls, but it's not really the stunting plane. This plane can do knife edge, which is pretty decent, as you can see. So you could just slip through all these places like it never even happened. In terms of pulling up, if you're in a critical situation, it's pretty good, damn good. The only downside, in my opinion, is the armor. The armor is pretty bad, because if you get shot in the window, quite a lot of times your exhaust will start to smoke, and then you would start to your plane will start to destroy. It's actually really good to use in first person because of the actual viewing place you can get. Because look, you get that bit of seeing, and it's pretty good. And yeah, in terms of landing, I think any plane is quite good at landing, but in terms of landing, you don't really need to slow down on this one. It basically goes at the right pace the whole time. As you can see, we're coming to land at Sandy Shores Airfield, and I'm still holding down on RT. I'm not, breaking anything. And look, we're just gonna casually land here. There's you don't need to brake. The only time you need to brake is when you actually land like that and you brake. And the good thing about this, it brakes really quick. The amount is here. And the only downside is you can actually find them. Now, if you don't want anyone else going into your Mammatus, then you could just, buy it. But yeah. Another really cool thing is that it could turn to the left and right on ground really well. Look at that. Turns like legit like a spinner. Now, I like to do this every time I review a plane. Well, from now on, trying to land at the barn. Now that's a challenge. If it's quite easy, then it's good, and it's a good vehicle to have to land, like an emergency landing. If it doesn't, then it's not that good for emergency landing, because the barn is the smallest airfield. If it can't land in the barn, it can't really land on like a road. The good thing about GTA 5 is that the plane, you don't really need to be skilled to land anything. You just need to be skilled to slow down and come to the only skill thing you need to do for planes is just barrel rolls and stuff. Like stunting. But as you can see, we're coming up to the airstrip right now. Come to the airstrip. Yeah, that was perfect. You can perfectly land this at the barn airfield, which is pretty good. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like it, subscribe for more reviews. And when I do get a game PC, I'm going to be doing mod showcases of vehicles, like planes and like cars and like reviews and stuff. So that was the Mammatus review. If you want to see more reviews, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.